Yeah, I just thought I'd show you the original battery on the suitcase player, and the modification I made to it. Let me just put this record away first, guys. Specials live at the Moonlight Club. One of my personal favourites, that one. Anyway, I'll grab the old suitcase player. I'll show you the modification I made on the battery. So someone started mowing their lawn. Noisy bleeders. Just looking for the right screwdriver. And the original battery is there. That's the original battery for it, which was a 1300 milliamp hour battery, I believe, or 1200. I'll be able to tell you the exact one if I can find the sticker. Where's the sticker, guys? Here it is. So I'm going to have a look at the stylus as well whilst I've got it in pieces. I just thought I'd show you. I've got a headache coming on. Keep getting headaches, guys. Not too sure what it's about. Could be my ADHD medication. Possibly. I don't know if you can hear the mower there. Matey next door. Noisy, noisy, noisy. I need a cleaning cloth. Little stain on top of the player. Disappeared. Oh. Gone now. Anyway. Like I was saying, guys, that's the original battery, which is need the light on, I think. Alright, 1200 milliamp hour, even smaller, which lasts about 3 hours, they claimed. But when I first started powering this up, I ate that straight away, so I thought I'd modify it. What's done with that? I only just brought that in here, the screwdriver, haven't I? Yeah, I found it. What I'll do, let's quickly pause this and just on the last one. And basically, guys, we peek under here. You'll see that blue battery that I've put in, which is a 5000 milliamp hour. It looks fairly charged. And all I do is pull out the USB plug, which I've fitted on, pull it out. And there you go, I can power that all day long with that. And it's still pretty juiced up, look. What I'm going to do is put that on charge whilst I have a fiddle around with this. I don't want to get under here today. But anyway, that's my battery, guys.